Welcome to Bluetimes Laser Technology. In today's video, we will take you to an in-depth understanding of how to combine the software and hardware of our fiber laser marking machine, and combine the actual operation parameters to help you perform laser engraving work efficiently and accurately. First, let's take a quick look at the main hardware components of the Bluetimes fiber laser marking machine. Our fiber laser machine is equipped with a Raycus laser, a JHC galvanometer, and a BJJCZ control panel. Next, we enter the software settings section. Open the software, import the bitmap, check the invert, dither and drill mode, then adjust the speed to 7000 and the power to 50%. Tips: adjust the speed and power according to the actual situation. The software used with Bluetimes laser equipment is EasyCAD 2. We will load the design, set the power and speed. When you operate the software, you can adjust the laser power, speed and other parameters according to different materials and marking requirements to find the marking effect you want most. For example, when engraving deeper, you can increase the laser power and reduce the marking speed, and try multiple times to find your ideal marking effect. Before marking, please start positioning preview first and make sure the marking position is correct. Everything is ready. Do not move the material when the laser is working.
The previous screen is a vector file format operation. The next step is a graphic file format tutorial to diversify and play with laser technology.
The software used with Bluetimes laser equipment is EasyCAD 2. We will load the design, set the power and speed. This video from Bluetimes opens the door to laser technology. Through the optimized operation interface and parameter settings, the entire laser engraving process becomes more intuitive. Users can quickly master and perform high-precision engraving tasks without complex technical backgrounds. Whether it is detailed pattern engraving or precise text marking, Bluetimes fiber laser marking machine can provide you with the best experience. Thanks for watching the Bluetimes tutorial series. Don't forget to subscribe and like to unlock more laser gameplay. See you next time.